Hi, so if you're watching this video, you probably want to start your career as a realtor, as an agent in the real estate space, and you have so many specific questions you've been asking on how to start your real estate career. You are on the right page. I'm Umar Nehemiah. I am a real estate salesperson and also a brokerage owner. We own Estate COOP, where we show you how you can become a real estate salesperson from start to end. Here at Estate Group, we'll be showing you everything you need to know, the right companies to work for, and what to do to become a successful real estate salesperson. And in today's video, we'll be sharing with you how to start your career as a realtor, as an agent in the real estate space. Let's get into it. In Nigeria and Lagos and Abuja is one of the big questions that people ask a lot is what company should I work for? What company can I sell for so I don't get into any trouble? There are a lot of real estate companies out there and you cannot verify which of them to work with, which company to sell for. And in today's video, I'll tell you the best. So one of the best things we do here at Estate Group is to get reliable real estate companies that we partner with, that we have been able to vet. We check their registration with CAC, with EFCC, and so many other governing bodies to make sure that they are safe and secure for people to sell with. And companies that prioritize their clients over profit. That is, companies that have been able to have some form of trust in the field. So that's what we do so that you don't have to do all those things by yourself. So we vetted companies that will share their products with you so you can sell without having any issues. There are a lot of companies that do not do their documentation process. They don't allocate to the customers after they buy. So every company will be sharing with you. They've done their due diligence. They've been able to allocate properties to clients at the end of it, and their documentation process is seamless and trustworthy. So you can partner with us at Estate Group, and you'll be getting the best out of any deal. So to be a part of Estate Group, there will be a link in this video for you to join our community, where we'll be having regular trainings every month, and we'll be sharing with you details on properties to sell, what properties not to sell, and companies to work with. So follow me on this channel as we do that, and with the number shown on your screen as well, you can reach me and we'll get to talk. So real estate sales is one of those in the industry is where you mostly want to start with as somebody who wants to grow your career. Maybe you want to become a real estate developer, maybe you want to start selling real estate, maybe you have all the money and you want to buy a huge expanse of land to start your development. It is very easy. Real estate in Nigeria is one of the it has a very low barrier for entry, but that doesn't mean that to become the best of the best you remain there. Because it's easy for you to get into it, it's also very hard to form trust, to build trust with a lot of people so you can sell your products to. So the thing that would differentiate you from any other real estate salesperson is how long you are willing to stay in the industry, and your branding in that industry, your branding and your knowledge, and how you're able to get people to trust you. So people buy from who they trust, and you want your people to trust you as much as possible. So it is important that you begin to build your brand and build trust with people so you can sell the best property. You also need to ask yourself, do I want to be an agent who sells lands, or do I want to be an agent who sells houses, or do I want to be a developer who develops houses from start to finish and start selling? But in today's video, we'll be focusing on mainly realtors who wants to go into agency, that's sales of lands and probably housing, but lands to be specific, how you can grow your career from that to maybe get into a developer level where you become an investor and buying land in bulk to resell. Like I said, the first thing you need to do is to register as a realtor for a specific company or brokerage that you trust, like Estate Group. where we can teach you everything you need to know, give you guidance on the companies to work with, and what to do. So register with us, and we are going to give you the best people you can work with, right? And we'll be taking you on how to get clients, how to create content to get your audience, how to meet people, how to understand documentation, and everything you need to know. So register with us, and we'll take you from start to finish in your real estate career. In the next video, we'll be teaching you what real estate is, how you can go the whole process in real estate, documentation, um, the people you need to meet, how to meet your clients, and everything you need to know as a real estate salesperson. So stick with us as you watch the next video.